Hey everybody, it's Mr. Mansager here. In this video, I am going to show you how to take your images that you put into Google Drive and get them into Scratch as sprites. So I'm assuming by now you've gotten your sprites off of your iPad and uploaded them to Google Drive. And so this is where we're going to pick up. So you need to make sure that you're logged into your Scratch project and also that you're logged into your Google Drive. So, going to Google Drive, you should have the folder that you made to put your images in. Mine is called Scratch Images, so I'm going to go inside there. And there are my 4 images of Blocky. So now what I need to do is download these images to my computer so that I can put them into Scratch. So just because I put them in Drive doesn't mean they go to my computer. They're still living in the cloud. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select that whole folder and I'm going to go up to the menu and choose Download. Now what it's going to do is take that folder and it's going to package it all together in what we call a zip file. So the extension is going to be .zip. And what's cool about a zip file is it can take a bunch of files and things, package it together into one thing, and that will go into your Downloads folder. So I'm going to go down here and do Show in Finder. So here I am in Downloads, and so there's my zip folder. And to get your images out of this zip folder, all you need to do is double click on it, and that will expand it, basically open it back up to what it was before, which is a folder with your images, and they're still named correctly. And now they live on my computer. But you got to remember that they're in your Downloads folder. So when you go into Scratch, as we're going to do in a second here, you got to make sure when you go to add it, you know where they are. All right, so I'm done with Google Drive. Got my images. They're on my computer. Go back to Scratch. So here's my maze. I got my maze imported. I put a nice little sidebar on here, but I don't have any sprites. So I'm going to make a new sprite, but not here. I'm not from the library, and I'm not going to draw one. I'm going to upload it from a file. And I'm going to navigate to my Downloads folder. I'm already there. And I only need to import one of these images, okay? And I'll show you why in a second. So for right now, I'm going to start with Blocky Down. So just pick one of your sprites. There he is. So now I have Blocky Down. And the next thing I need to do, I'm not going to import all my images as sprites because really they're all just one sprites, but they have different looks to them. So I need to go up to my tabs here of costumes. And costumes, basically, I can use costumes to change the appearance of my sprite. So what I'm going to do is I have Blocky Down here already. He's like the main sprite. I'm going to add to this one in costumes. Same thing, I'm going to upload costume from file, and I'm going to choose my other ones. Actually, I'm going to choose all 3, except Blocky Down. I don't want him. And open. There we go. So if they show a little smaller than these, I just double tap on them, and then it kind of fixes that preview. So now I've got Blocky Down, Blocky Left, Blocky Right, and Blocky Up, and I'm ready to go, and I'm ready to start programming my game. Bye.